What's up, bullish friends? With the rise of AI, I want to share with you 4 AI crypto projects that could skyrocket as early as this year. Now, 2 or 3 of these you've probably heard of, but I'm willing to bet that the last one you probably have not. It could be the next 1000X, or it could go full red and bleed out. So you need to stick around to the end to find out what I think and if this will happen. And also, after I share these 4 crypto projects, I'll also share what will catapult them or doom them all to obscurity. But before we dive in, as always, none of this is financial advice. You could lose money in anything you invest in, including crypto, so always do your own research before putting in a dime. Now let's dive in. I want to start off with SingularityNet, as you've likely already heard of this team, and they are looking to connect all of the AI algorithms to a decentralized network with the ability to provide financial freedom to the masses through their Singularity DAO. They are essentially working on a system to help other AI systems communicate, share data, and compensate each other on the network while bringing together AI developers and users at the same time. Think of this as the brain or backbone of AI, linking all of these systems together so they can essentially work in harmony. Check out some of the companies already building in this ecosystem. First, there's Rejuve AI, which is a life extension platform working to not just extend human life, but lower cost as well. And then there's NewNet, which is a decentralized computing platform. And next, Sophiaverse, which is an expansive metaverse set to the future. Awakening Health is another company on this ecosystem with aims to provide synthetic but human-like healthcare assistance to help bring down healthcare costs. And with an aging populace, you could see that this might be critical in the future. Then there's Jam Galaxy, which is an AI-driven music platform, and followed by Hypercycle, which is a layer 1 blockchain that aims to supply low-cost infrastructure for decentralized AI. Mindplex is another company on here looking to provide a decentralized multimedia platform where users can create and share content while combating things like fake news, junk content, and ad fraud. And as you can see, many of these projects integrate nicely together here. Now, all of these are already up and running on Singularity AI, and they're continuing to bring in more users and new developers all the time. And with a market cap of $423 million, this is the biggest company on this particular list of AI protocols that I'm talking about, which, in my opinion, also makes this one of the safer plays. And this token can be found on a bunch of the major CEXs like Binance, Gate, MEXC, KuCoin, just to name a few. And of course, you could always find it on the Uniswap DEX as well. When I initially started researching this, I immediately remembered many of these things that the Singularity AI is trying to solve are the same things that Ray Kurzweil has wanted to solve as well. If you get a chance and want some fascinating stuff to read, check out some of Ray Kurzweil's books, especially when he has many things to say about the Singularity, which is an event that takes place in the future where man merges with machine. If Singularity AI can solve many of these problems, we could have a wonderful future after all. Next up is Deep Brain Chain. The goal of Deep Brain Chain is to build a scalable computing power network on the blockchain and become the most important power structure for the metaverse. In fact, in their own statement, they say they want to be the world's largest AI computing platform. Now, how's that for a goal? Now, you may or may not know, but I am a huge believer in crypto gaming and the metaverse being a huge part of the future, so this network really stands out to me. DeepBrain allows users to rent GPU power, which is important for building and scaling metaverse projects. The network uses DBC, the native token of this platform, to settle all of the transactions. I also found their real-life training scenarios to be very interesting. Let's go through a couple of these. First, they have a training module that has a 97% rate of spotting cancerous tumors early. How awesome would that be to be able to prevent serious illness like this with a 97% rating? Think of how this type of tech could really change so many lives. Then there's the driverless car model, which was fascinating as well. And through this model, they were able to train driverless cars through AI effectively. And I do believe that in the near future, driverless cars will be in full operation. And once that happens, I believe technology like this will be used extensively. Currently, DBC has a market cap of under $10 million, and that means they have a ton of room to grow, but are large enough to where it's not as risky as some of the other projects on this list. Now, hopefully they can get this token added to more CEX indexes soon, as right now it's a pretty hard token to purchase because it's not widely available. And for major growth, this needs to become easier to find. This just shows you how early we are on this tech. This next token has backing of guys like billionaire Mark Cuban and is currently rocking an over $100 million market cap. And of course, I'm talking about Alethea AI, which aims to decentralize the ownership of AI. And this is a research and development studio building generative AI and blockchain, working to advance the adoption of the AI protocol. Generative AI just means it's a type of artificial intelligence technology that can produce various types of content, including text, imagery, audio, and synthetic data. The utility token in this network, called ALI, is an ERC20 token of the AI protocol and used by dApps built on it. The ALI token regulates, incentivizes, and rewards the various participants of the AI protocol. Notably, Alethea AI created the INFT, which stands for Intelligent Non-Fungible Token. Joining Alethea's platform will let you, in their words, create and customize your INFT's personality, train the AI systems in the intelligence layer, build dApps on the AI protocol, offer unique AI services, and unlock the full potential of generative AI. This network lets users build AI-powered dApps with a suite of tools like no-code smart contract deployment, gasless transactions, and offers non-custodial wallet creation options. One of the popular dApps on this network is an intelligent metaverse that is called Noah's Ark. This allows users to interact with the AI protocol in a very user-friendly way, which much of the crypto space in general currently lacks. Just look how nice this looks. Another dApp on this network is the My Character AI dApp, which allows the user to create an intelligent character through a string of text. You can see their example on the screen here. Now feel free to come over and play around with this so you can see how cool this dApp truly is. Just keep in mind that they still have some work to do on it, so it's not quite yet perfect. And with investors like Mark Cuban and a market cap of over $100 million so far, this network has plenty of room to grow into the future. Now, before I talk about this next AI crypto, I want to warn you that this one has a market cap of just $309,000. In fact, you can't even find the market cap on CoinGecko currently, and you need to jump all the way over to DexScreener just to see it. This AI crypto is so small right now that it could shoot to the moon with just a few moves, or it could crash in flames, and honestly, either is a possibility at this point. Just check out this roller coaster of a chart over the last several days. I'm of course talking about Jarvis AI. Now Jarvis AI, which goes by the ticker symbol JAI, is an app that uses machine learning and AI to analyze other crypto tokens. When it analyzes crypto tokens, it efficiently collects valuable data through API that it then analyzes using complex mathematical algorithms and then predicts the future market of the token and what impact might occur to the price. Now currently, this app is still in beta, but they are aiming to launch the full version once bugs have been worked out and tweaks have been made. You can access the app on the website and even put in a coin's address here for evaluation. Though, if you do plan to use this, I highly recommend joining their Telegram group and not trying to do this on your own. If they can pull this off, this app could be an investor's dream, as who in their right mind wouldn't want the help of AI and machine learning to accurately predict future markets? Though, again, this platform is so young, anything at this point could happen. So if you were to invest, I'd make sure it was very small, and of course, this is not financial advice. You should always do your own research. You can currently find this coin on Uniswap. Now, hopefully you enjoyed the AI cryptos that I've shared in this video. Maybe you already have some of these on your radar. Now, I don't believe that every AI project is going to work out. In fact, like all crypto, I believe most projects will fail. Even the ones I discuss here in this video might even fail. And what will be the difference? Well, first and foremost, projects need investors to help breathe life into them. Without money, these projects will simply die. Now, once there's money, the teams will then need to execute on their roadmaps to get these to 100 or even 1000x. but ultimately they're going to need adoption. And any of these could 100x or more, but I think to see these types of numbers, we also need to enter a bull market, and we're currently not there right now. Finally, keep in mind that even the best projects can fail if the market doesn't need or want what the project is offering. And oftentimes, projects are simply in a space that the market just simply isn't ready for yet. Now, I personally like all 4 of these projects, but if I am investing, I'm investing lightly into them as I plan for the worst and hope for the best. So always invest wisely and at your own risk. Make sure you simply know what you're getting into. That said, if you found this helpful, like the video, subscribe to the channel, and tap the notification bell. I plan on putting out more of these type of list videos in the near future. Let me know in the comments if you like any of these projects that I've mentioned, if you're already invested in some of these projects, or if there are other AI crypto projects that you like more than the ones I mentioned here. And guys, as always, I will see you in the next video.